Audiobooks are great when you want to listen on the go or take a break from reading. You can listen to audiobooks on any device, laptops, tablets, or even on your phone when traveling to and from school. Your progress also saves and syncs across all devices, so you can pick up where you left off. After borrowing an audiobook, you can jump to any chapter using the chapter selector at the bottom of the screen. You can adjust the reading speed to suit your listening needs, whether you want to slow it down or speed things up. Via the app, you can use the sleep timer to automatically pause playback after a set time, which is perfect for bedtime listening. You can also set the audiobook to pause automatically at the end of a chapter. Heading offline? Use the Store Offline option so you can keep listening even without internet access. And once you've finished, don't forget to rate the title. Your feedback helps other students discover great reads.